Hey guys, welcome back to Mojo Grip. Mike here. So we're still at the NBAA convention in Orlando, and the aircraft you see in front of me here is the all-new S-76D from Sikorsky. Now this model is fairly new. Probably a couple of years now it's been certified, but it's fairly new, and it's replacing an older model, the S-76C. Now, if you've been following me, you know that I'm fairly new to helicopters, and this right here is probably one of the most massive helicopters I've ever seen, and being that we're inside. But anyway, let me show you guys around. As you can see here, the cockpit, all full glass. I don't know much about anything in here other than the cyclic controls that you see in front of you here. But this looks like a fully decked out cockpit. I think those are the circuit breakers back there. And let's move forward. Now this helicopter, this particular model is the VIP model for the S-76D, and I'll show you guys more of the interior in a little bit. But as you can see, you can sit a few people in here in real luxury and comfort. I should also say that I love the color on this thing being dark gray. I can't tell if it's black or dark gray, but it looks pretty neat and it definitely stands out. Now the S-76D uses a Pratt Whitney engine, and this powers this helicopter to cruise around 150, 152 knots. That's roughly around 170, 175 miles per hour, but you're also burning roughly 650 pounds of fuel at that speed. And here, let me show you the cargo area. And by cargo, I mean just luggage. This is your baggage area. Look how big this thing is. This whole thing can be a small airplane. That's how big it is back here. So you have a lot of baggage room back here. And then once you get in the interior, again, it's a very nice large cabin to fit a few people, and you're sitting in luxury. This is the VIP interior configuration, but you can always change it around depending on who's buying this helicopter. But this here looks very neat. More than enough leg room. The seats are very comfortable, and you have all the amenities you can possibly need for entertainment or refreshments. So this is not your everyday average helicopter, and the price will also tell. I don't have any more technical details, but you guys can check it out if you want to know more about this helicopter. I'm leaving a link below so you can find out more about it. Okay, so this here, guys, is my coverage of the S-76D. If you enjoyed the video, please give a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for me if this is your first time. Also, please show support on Patreon or grab a t-shirt on my Teespring store. I greatly appreciate it, guys, and I will catch you on the next video.